If you're looking for a deep conditioner that will not only moisturize your hair but give your hair strands some stamina to withstand brushing, combing and general styling, then you have to give this treatment a try. What's up beautiful people? So in today's video I'm bringing you another hair treatment that will strengthen your hair. The first ingredient you will need is oats, and we are going to be using 4 tablespoons. The second on my list is fenugreek powder. I prefer fenugreek powder to fenugreek seed for this mask, for this deep conditioner, but if you have the seed I think you can also use it as well. And the third one is rice. You guys, please, I always say that you should wash your rice before you use it because there has been some dust and dirt, and by washing it you are going to remove those dust, okay? And the fourth one is okra. So you can choose to chop your okra as little or as large as you want it to be. I choose to chop mine this size, okay? And then we're going to add water. Just add water, the one that will be enough, and then put it on the fire and boil on a low heat. So after boiling for a few minutes, this is what it's looking like. Guys, if you don't like the jelly thing, sticky thing, maybe you would skip this whole part to the part where you'll say, in fact, I don't know, maybe skip this video entirely because this deep conditioner is moisture packed. I mean, the mucilage in this conditioner is on another level. So this is it. When it's cooled down, I'm going to strain it with a weak cap. You can do this with anything that you have. All you're looking for is to get a fine texture, a fine consistency. You don't want to have particles left on your hair because that will not be difficult to wash out. So guys, I thought that this was cold, but it was not as cold as I would like, and it was even very thick. You can see how thick it is. So I was trying to press it, and but the thing was really hot. So I'm going to pour water. I did that off camera. I poured water and then I strained it again. This second time it was now coming out the way that I want. Look at that jelliness. Look at this mask. This deep conditioner is going to help your hair, trust me. So then I'm going to add oil. I added my DIY homemade oil, but you can add olive oil, castor oil, you can add coconut oil if your hair loves it. You can add any oil that your hair likes, okay? Any oil that you use on your hair. Now it's time to add the oil. Now look at what it is looking like. It was still very thick, a little. It was still thick, not like very thick. So then I went ahead and added another oil again off camera. I think that was what changed the color to greener. Abi my camera changed it to green, I don't know. But anyway, this is the consistency that we are having. So now it's time to apply it on my daughter's hair. You guys remember the video I uploaded where I took down her 1-month-old braids? Now after taking down the hair, her hair was looking very lifeless, very dull. So it was looking like it was going to just break any moment. It was tired and it needs revival. After one use, you're going to testify to this treatment. Try it and let me know. The mucilage in this deep conditioner is on another level, and that is because okra contains 90% of water, which the water is gel. The water is gel, and then oat contains another jelly consistency. Oat has a jelly consistency, and fenugreek itself also has a little bit of jelly consistency. So you can just imagine all this jelly consistency in one deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is balanced and is very healthy for your hair. If you are looking for a balanced diet for your hair, this is what you need to try. The protein and the moisture all packed together to give your hair the moisture that you need, plus the strength that your hair needs to survive. You guys, you need to try this. I am not just preaching. I want you to try it and come back and let me know, because after trying it on my daughter's hair, and I'm glad I'm doing this voiceover after like a few days checking my daughter's hair to see the performance of this deep conditioner on her hair. And I'm telling you, her hair is still looking very shiny, like very shiny. Her hair strands are very strong, not like strong like unmanageable, I mean strong like super strengthened, that kind. And it's very affordable to do. I actually use too much of this conditioner. You don't need to use too much. I used too much, and because it was my first time doing this, so I don't know the quantity that would be too small, and I believe that it's better that for it to be excess than for it not to be enough. Then I'll not have to start managing, you get. So that's why I used enough, and the enough was quite enough. And so for it not to waste, I said to use it on my youngest daughter. You will see that if you keep watching towards the end of this video. Now let's talk about some benefits of this treatment that we used. Do you know that okra, apart from the fact that it is moisturizing, it has a protein, it has like 2% protein. It has about 2% protein in it. So it has protein and 90% water, which is the jelly consistency that I mentioned, and it is balanced on its own. So if you don't have all of these things, you can just buy okra, 100 naira, you guys. Okra, 100 naira, and your hair will still benefit from okra deep conditioner. Okra simplifies detangling. I think this is like the main benefit of okra for me. It has minerals such as zinc, magnesium. It also has antioxidants, which is good for your scalp. So overall, okra is a full pack deep conditioner on its own. Oats is a very rich food, not only for your body but also for your hair. It is rich in omega fatty acid, which helps to prevent split ends. It helps to repair split ends, and it also helps to moisturize your hair. Oats has protein, and it also adds thickness to your hair. It helps to give your hair the elasticity that it needs to withstand brushing and pulling much better without breakage. And fenugreek has been known for ages to help fenugreek hair. Is one of the Ayurvedic herbs that you can use to increase blood circulation to your scalp. It reduces hair fall, it cures scalp issues, scalp irritation. Fenugreek can also help to moisturize your strands because of its jelly consistency. It has a little bit of mucilage in it. It is great for your hair, your scalp. So fenugreek is a very healthy food that you can incorporate in your hair, and you will see a very good result in no time. Rice, I added rice to this treatment because rice, the last time that I used it on my daughter, I used rice water. It was really very helpful. Like her hair, there was shine. You could tell that her hair was super strengthened. So guys, one of the things that the DIYers do that I would like to address, even me especially, is the fact that sometimes if you're not guilty of this, then I'm happy for you. Sometimes we tend to use those things on our hair and we forget to eat it. Now hair grows from the inside out, so this what do you call it, these recipes, this treatment will benefit your hair more when you consume it on the inside. So you will get the benefits more when you eat it on the inside than when you apply it on the outside. So what am I trying to say? I'm saying when you are using these things on your hair, remember to eat enough of it. Like oats now, you need to eat enough of it if you can. The rice, the okra, I love okra so much. So eating these things will help your hair more than applying it. So when you apply it, it's for your hair strands and to help cure any scalp issues. But the one that you eat on the inside is going to help make your hair grow out healthy and strong. Okay, all right guys, so if you like this content, please give your guests a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Compliment of the season to you, my lovely subscribers and my viewers at large. I will see you all in my next video. Ciao ciao. Mwah.